Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DoorDash to enable account security notifications. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser or launch the DoorDash app on your device. If you are using a web browser, navigate to the DoorDash homepage. Once you are on the homepage, look for the sign in button in the upper right corner and click on it. Enter your registered email and password to log into your DoorDash account. After logging in, locate the menu icon, which is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on the menu icon to reveal additional options. From the menu, select Account. In the Account section, find the option labeled Account Settings or similar. Click on Account Settings to access various security options. Look for the section titled Notifications or Security Notifications. Here, you will see options for enabling account security notifications. Toggle the option to enable email or push notifications related to your account's security. If prompted, confirm your selections to save the changes. For additional security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if it is available. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up two-factor authentication. You may need to verify your phone number for this feature. Once all options are selected and confirmed, review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Finally, log out of your account and log back in to verify that the notifications are active. Your account is now set up to notify you of any security activities. This ensures an extra layer of protection for your DoorDash account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.